In this video, we'll show you how to make this adorable reindeer tree hanger, perfect for your Christmas tree.
The first thing you need for your reindeer is our template, and you can find this on our website, which is linked below. We have used white felt, but you can use brown or any colour you like for your reindeer. Cut out one reindeer for the front using our template. Cut out another piece of felt for the back, which is just slightly larger than the template. You will also need a pair of scissors, a needle and thread, a small piece of twine, a button, stuffing, and a Sharpie. Take a length of thread, doubled over and knotted, and sew the button nose onto the front of the reindeer, choosing your favourite position for his nose. To make the reindeer eyes, we are keeping it super simple and using a Sharpie. This is great if you're making these with children. As an alternative, you could use a French knot, some toy eyes, or even just add buttons. Decide where you want your eyes and add them now using your preferred method. Next is the hanger. We are using a small piece of twine, but you could also use ribbon. To sew on your hanger, turn your reindeer to the back. Join the ends of the twine and place them on his head between his antlers. Use a couple of hand stitches to secure the hanger in place on the felt. Lay your reindeer front on top of the back, right sides up. To stitch in place, make sure you leave a gap for stuffing the width of your finger at the bottom of the reindeer's face. Stitch him to the back, just using a running stitch and a matching thread, following the outline all the way around the antlers and the head. Once stitched, cut the back away from the front, following the outline. Stuff him and close his hole. He is all done and so cute. Why not make him some friends and hang them on your Christmas tree?
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. For lots more fun projects, many of which are free, make sure you check out the online classes on our website.